Welcome to Ghee and Galaxies. In a quiet modern home, chaos comes in pairs. Kartikeya was known for speed, while little Ganesha preferred to take his time. Desperate for a single minute of peace, their father issued the ultimate challenge. Kartikeya was off like a rocket. For 3 glorious seconds, there was peace. But then, the silence. The terrifying toddler silence. Every parent knows what silence means. They braced for disaster, but the disaster hadn't actually left. Little Ganesha hadn't moved an inch. Instead, he looked at them with profound focus and took a single deliberate step. He wasn't racing around the house. He was circling them, completing his own perfect lap. Because to him, they were not just his parents. His brother could race across the globe, but Ganesha knew the truth. Why run around the world when the whole universe is standing right in front of you? Sometimes the biggest journeys require the smallest steps, even if you technically lose the race.